Hello to all. Today I will cover the topic types of test. This topic is prescribed in the syllabus of BA B.Ed Integrated Course Semester 7th. What is test? Test may be called as a tool, a question, a set of questions, an examination which used to measure a particular characteristics of an individual or a group of individuals. It is something which provides information regarding individuals' ability, knowledge, performance and achievement. According to Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, an examination of somebody's knowledge or ability consisting of questions for them to answer or activities for them to perform. Types of test. There are mainly three types of test: essay type test, short answer type test, objective type test. Essay type test. According to Ebel and Frisbill's, essay type test presents one or more questions or other tests that require extended written responses from the persons being tested. Advantages of essay type test. Essay type tests are easy to construct. A few sample questions can cover a broad field and keep students busy for a long time. Essay type tests assess students' ability to use the knowledge. These types of tests can provoke thought and higher mental processes for satisfactory answers. Essay type tests are the only device for testing originality and initiative. Essay type tests bring into prominence the language mastery, expression and matter organization ability of the students. Essay type tests encourage proper study habits. They demand recall rather than mere recognition. Essay type tests provide a qualitative evaluation of students' achievement. Essay type tests reduce the chances of on the spot copying. Short answer type test. In short answer type tests, short questions are set to which pointed answers have to be given. Answer may vary from a few words to 50 words. Short answer questions are open-ended questions that require students to create an answer rather than choose from a selection of response. The main purpose is to test knowledge, ability and understanding within a short time. There cannot be much variation in answers. Marking of answers can be done more objectively than in essay type test. Advantages. Short answer type questions are very short in comparison to essay type questions. Tests are generally used to measure change in the cognitive and affective aspects. These are more valid than essay type test. In short answer type test, questions can be framed on almost the whole curriculum. More number of questions can be asked in these tests. Preparation and administration are easy. There is less chance of guessing by the students. Objective type test. An objective type test is one which is free from any subjective bias, either from the tester or the marker. It refers to any written test that requires the examinee to select the correct answer from among one or more of several alternatives or supply a word or two and that demands an objective judgment when it is scored. Definition. Objective test items are items that can be objectively scored items on which person selects a response from the list of options. Wordsma choice. Advantages. The objective type tests are more reliable than the essay type test. Scoring is more objective than the essay type test. All examiners will award the same marks. There is no scope for subjectivity. Objective type tests are economical in time. They can be scored very quickly and easily. The examinee can answer many questions in a shorter time. The examiner can mark the paper in a shorter time. Objective type tests are more comprehensive than essay type tests. They cover a wide range of the course. Teacher can set questions from every chapter. As compared with essay type, the objective type test is more scientific. It gives more reliable and useful results. The objective type test leaves no much of scope for cramming. Types of objective type. Completion type, true or false, multiple choice, matching type, identification and labeling. Thank you.